Hello there, welcome to the 11th lecture. In lecture 10, we discussed the Integrated Development Environment, IDE, as a good platform that has tools at the command line that can be used to manage large projects. Today, we will talk about the Software Development Kit, SDK. What is the Software Development Kit? SDK is considered as a set of tools that allows the development of applications for a particular software package, software framework, hardware platform, computer system, video game console, operating system, or any other development platform. Some software development kits are different for some applications. The development of an Android application requires an SDK with Java. For iOS applications, it requires an iOS SDK with Swift, and for MS Windows, the Net Framework SDK with Net. SDK provides a simple implementation of one or more application programming interfaces, APIs, in the form of some libraries in order to interface to a particular programming language. SDKs also include simple code, sample codes, and supporting technical notes and other possible documentation that would provide support to help clarify points made by the primary reference material. What is the Android Software Development Kit made of? You can't develop Android applications without Android SDK. Therefore, it is important to be able to acquire one on your system. The Android SDK comprises of a debugger, Android libraries, a device emulator, documentation, sample code, and tutorials. To download the Android SDK, the following steps are involved. Input the link on your screen in your web browser. Select the latest version of the SDK starter package for your platform. Extract the SDK. Navigate to the directory where you extracted the SDK and double-click SDK Setup. If you are prompted to accept the authenticity of the file, click Yes. An Android SDK and AVD Manager dialog box opens. Select the SDK platform checkbox considering you are using the latest version. Click Install. Select the Accept Radio button to accept the license and then click Install. In the next dialog box, select Accept and click Install. When the archives installation is complete, click the Close button. Refer to your course materials for the details on how you can navigate the Android SDK after installing. The iOS SDK, on the other hand, is a development kit developed by Apple Inc. and released in February 2008 to develop native applications for iOS. Note that you can only run simulations for iOS application, unlike Android, as all application must go through the application store, which is not an open source. In lecture 12, you will be introduced to Android Studio as an ODE that allows easy development of mobile application. Until then, be good.